Hi guys. Thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel today. I recently subscribed to the ColorCast Designs embellishment subscription, and I just wanted to share with you because they are a small business and the things that you get are really cute. These are all acrylics. Just open them for you. Look how cute that is. Bright and sunny. Isn't that cute? And then this one is Adventure, Journey, and Wander. This is the May kit, by the way. Escape, Explore, Roam. And then the May is a little bit thinner than the others. This one is really cute. Good Times. Wonder if you could put the, nope. They don't quite fit. But that is still really cute. And then you also get thin wood veneers. And they are self-adhesive, so you just peel the little, oh my gosh, I'm sorry. Sorry about that. So you just peel the thin backing, and they're a sticker. Yay for Today, Scenic Route, So Very Cool, Outside Adventure. Details. Remember this. This place has my heart. Details, Adventure, Together Always, Today's Stories, Go See Do. So that's it. I just thought I'd share. Thank you.